tip of the week. This week's tip is Custom DTW Templates. So before we get into the how-to section of this tip, I'd first like to set the scene with some scenarios that may be reasons why our clients would want to use this tip. So a couple being, first, many clients customize SAP with user-defined fields to hold additional data. So since these are not out-of-the-box fields and are specific to each individual client, SAP's provided templates will not include these fields. Another reason to use this tip is because sometimes clients wish to import data that is not a template that SAP provides. SAP provides templates for most tables in SAP, however, there are a few outliers. And lastly, not all clients will have access to the program files folder on their server. So upon installation of SAP, the SAP templates and sample data for the DTWs are automatically created under that file, and not all users may have access to that on your server. So if any of these situations apply to you, you may be a good candidate for this tip. So to resolve these scenarios, what we can do is create a custom DTW template. So what I'll do is hop over to our demo environment, and what we can do from here is log into DTW as usual. And instead of going through the wizard, what we'll do is we will utilize some of the settings to generate the template. So we'll go to Customize Template underneath the Template tab. And then from there, we can select the object that we would like to create the template for. So in this example, in our demo environment, we have the item master data, and we have a couple UDFs here that are pulling in data specific to the client that we definitely don't want to forget whenever we import the item master data. So let's go over to inventory, select the item master. From here, we have quite a few templates we can select, and by selecting the items, this will be like the standard item master data template. However, when drilling down, we can see these standard out-of-the-box fields that would be on SAP's template, in addition to the UDFs at the very bottom that are unique to our environment. So after you select the object that you would wish to create into a template, give it a right click and give SAP a few seconds to create it. We can go ahead and save it. And then our last step will be to access it on our desktop where we saved it. And you can see that a new template has been generated. And once again, not only are the SAP out of the box fields there, but the UDFs are also included. So to wrap up our tip of the week, let's summarize the benefits that we have from this tip. The first being we can save time. So DTWs are a great way to mass import data rather than manually. By doing it with the custom template, we can eliminate user error. So the alternative to populating this new template would be to manually add every single UDF to a template. And of course, user error can occur in those situations. And lastly, and most importantly, we can include data specific to our clients' businesses that otherwise is not included on out-of-the-box templates.